Hello guys, today I will show you how you can control energy consumption in Samsung dryer DV90. So in the first step, open the dryer in your smartphone application. Then click on the service, and as you can see there you have energy. If you're doing it for the first time, you should have the energy button on the same button. Okay, now we can open the energy. And as you can see, there are a lot of useful information about the taken energy. You can also switch the time range and change the device. As you can see, there have also turn on the AI energy mode and check the cost. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.